923 Bree Love. Walking in to kind of do an evaluation. The doors are good. Windows need to be kind of caulked and done. Floors are solid. Need to be sanded and redone. Um, Ceiling needs to be painted and a couple of patchwork in the living room. Looking at the doors, whose room is this?
Somebody was living in there, and they supposed to come in and clean it up like 2, 3 weeks ago. They never did come back.
Clean up for the room needs to be done. Bed rails, drop ceiling. The panels probably need to be yellow, so panels probably need to be replaced. Uh, Bathroom needs to be squared away, be redone, repainted. Face basin need to be replaced.
Let me go get my pants out right here. Just told you that.
Room 2 seems to be occupied. Walls need to be patched. Smoke detectors need to be redone. Ceilings in the hallway. Floors definitely really need to be redone, brought up to code. They are solid, but needs to be resurfaced. Fan needs to be replaced. The kitchen needs to be a do-over. It's cosmetic, but needs to be a do-over. Back room. Rooms closed off.
Let me turn that light on for you, brother.
Oh,
Go get a light for you.
another refrigerator. Back room
I'm sorry, my brother.
needs to be redone. Room in here, floors need to be done. Work in the ceiling.
We said they cacked the church. What the name of the church?
Bathroom, unfinished repairs. Here. Front room and windows definitely needs to be replaced. Uh, 923 Bree Love, first evaluation video, signing off.